goodness. Hey, y'all.
What's up, family? So we're just getting back from the grocery store. We got all of our veggies. He's cleaning the quail. So right now, I'm going to wash our veggies and get them cut.
Tailor-made my rule. Can't find it, it's cut. New style, they boots. No worry, it's cut. Smuggling this
extra.
Trying to make you cut. Running around with that boot.
You extra.
You is too.
No. I need to drink.
Leave some wine over there.
Celery.
Workforce, I'm a workhorse. Who a word take a big voice. I'm not the one, I'm a decoy. Soldier ready for a decoy.
It's very important to wash your vegetables and your fruit. So I didn't mention earlier, but we have purple kale. We have a Mexican squash. They call it chocho. We have green bell pepper. We have a yellow onion. We have celery. And we have rainbow carrots. Also, we usually put fresh ginger, fresh garlic, but we forgot to get it. So we're just going to season the soup with ground ginger and some granulated garlic. Okay, family, we're halfway through cutting the vegetables and cleaning the quail. Now, one of the things I wanted to mention is that with the bell peppers, you know, I see a lot of people cut the top off and they discard this part, but we like to use a whole bell pepper, okay? So we cut.
About a second, you talking real bougie.
You know, I'm a little bougie, it's okay.
A little bougie right now.
Yeah. So I use the top of the bell pepper, and also we like to eat the seeds in the bell pepper. There's nothing wrong with it. It doesn't have a taste. It's just, you know, we just like the seeds.
It does give the soup more flavor. Extra flavor, more flavor.
We'll just take out the inside and just put the seeds in there. Any opportunity we get to eat seeds from fruits or veggies, we eat the seeds.
Hard to find those things with seeds nowadays.
Yeah, everything non-GMO. No, everything is GMO.
Right.
So, and that's it. With the veggies, you can rough chop them. I didn't really cut them all cute in any particular way. You can just give all the veggies a rough chop and get it on done, get it out the way. Say something.
What?
Say something. I wish we would have remembered to get the fresh garlic and ginger, because it just put it over the top, but it's okay. Next time.
You still know how to make it flavor.
Yeah, sure. So last, we're just gonna, I'm gonna cut the chocho and rinse the kale and get those in the pot, get everything started. See you back in a minute.
We I did my 2 birds. She gonna do her 2 birds.
He could have, I'm over here slaving over these, chopping these veggies. He could have did the other 2 little birds.
Watch this. Follow me, y'all. Let me show y'all what I gotta do.
He a man.
Let me show y'all what I gotta do.
You
See this grill? I gotta get all of this fire together. Get the grill together. That's what I have to do. So I don't have time to be cleaning up 4 birds. She said we split them, we split them.
Alright, hey fam, welcome back. So right now, we got the 4 cans of coconut milk in the pot. We have a gallon of water. It's smelling super good just from the coconut milk. So now we're gonna add our spices. So I'm gonna add first a little ground cumin. We kind of like to go heavy with the spices because it's such a big pot of soup. So I'll just go a little heavy, about 15 dashes. So that was the cumin. And now I'm going to put the ground ginger. About 15 dashes of this. So that was the ground ginger. Now I'm going to put just a couple dashes of this Jamaican jerk spice because we use some on the quail, but we're just going to use a couple dashes in the soup. I like it a little spicy. So that was that. Now we're going to use some dry thyme leaves. Not too heavy with the thyme, just a little bit. Granulated garlic. Even if I have fresh garlic in here, I'm still going to use garlic powder. Or even if I have onions, I'm still going to use onion powder. It's just me. So now I'm going to use the onion powder. A little bit. Now my favorite part, we're going to use the curry powder. A lot. Heavy with the curry. Then I'm just going to mix it all together. Usually I use a whisk, but I can't find a whisk in my brother's kitchen, so it's okay. No.
A 6'13" mannequin, mighty one stuffed in a minute. You're not your who, I ain't standing down. Take the law, ain't a way around. Boss man ain't the one for it. You're not allowed, that's a man.
For me, I would use a little more curry. So what I'll do is let this come to a boil, and then I'm going to add all of our veggies. And we'll be back.
All right, so ladies and gentlemen, this is what it looks like.
It smells so good.
It really does. See, toss. Woo. Oh yeah. Little smoky, guys. Little smoky.
Got this fella out here, Byron.
Get all the little jerk juices. Say you are what you eat.
I guess I'm a quail.
The jerk quail.
Jerk quail.
You're a jerk.
You're so Jake.
Alrighty. Alright, y'all. So this is the aftermath. It's getting ready to go in the soup. Check them out. Yeah, it looks a little dry, but it's juicy in the inside, trust me. I know. Especially when we get in that soup. Good. Watch what I tell you. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Somebody look at that.
Why we all around it? Like, I'm next. That's good.
Let them look at that. That quail. Nice juicy quail. Alright.
Root out the roof. Couple finish in the juice. Fit yard, we manage. The faint heart stay vanishing. A 613 mannequin. Mighty one stuffed in a man. You know you who I ain't standing down. Protect the law, ain't no plan around. Boss man ain't the one for it. You're not a law, that's a man down. You can see it on the daily. Watching baby kill.
Okay, the carrot's good.
Whole world gone crazy. Lost sheep, let it stray. He tailor made my rule. Can't find it, it's cut.
Spinach is good.
Full style, they boots. No worry, it's cut. Smuggling is true. Trying to make
how that falls apart.
Run around with that proof.
Look at that.
You wow.
Rock 12 stones, stay customary.
There we go.
Rock 12 stones,
All right.
stay customary. He tailor made my route. Can't find it, it's custom. Your whole style, they boots. No
That's good.
It's custom. Smuggling is true. Trying to make it through custom.
And this is how you make jerk quail curry soup.
So delicious.
Hope you guys enjoyed it.
Look at that.
Thumbs up, subscribe.
Please.
Subscribe.
Any more suggestions, you guys let us know in the comments. And we'll see you guys later on the next one. Peace.